To use your Amazon Prime Visa at Whole Foods, start by ensuring you have an Amazon Prime membership and the Amazon Prime Visa card. If you do not have the card, you can apply for it on the Amazon website. Once you have the card, you can begin earning rewards and taking advantage of the benefits it offers. First, make sure your Amazon Prime Visa card is linked to your Amazon account. You can do this by signing in to your Amazon account and navigating to the Amazon Prime Visa card section. Follow the prompts to link your card to your account. When you shop at Whole Foods, you can earn 5% back on your purchases with your Amazon Prime Visa card. To earn this reward, simply use your card to pay for your groceries at the checkout. You will earn 5% back on all of your Whole Foods purchases, with no rotating categories or spending limits. In addition to earning rewards, you can also use your Amazon Prime Visa card to take advantage of other benefits, such as travel insurance and purchase protection. You can also use the card to earn rewards on other purchases, including 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases. To get the most out of your Amazon Prime Visa card, make sure to use it for all of your Whole Foods purchases. You can also use the card to earn rewards on other purchases and take advantage of the other benefits it offers. By following these steps and using your Amazon Prime Visa card regularly, you can earn significant rewards and take advantage of the many benefits it offers. It is also important to note that you need to be an Amazon Prime member to earn the 5% back at Whole Foods. If you are not a Prime member, you can sign up for a membership on the Amazon website. With an Amazon Prime membership and the Amazon Prime Visa card, you can earn significant rewards and take advantage of the many benefits it offers.